Some of the main applications on the FDM technology here at Toyota production engineering are a lot. Whenever we come up with a new model or have a model change, we do a lot of prototype parts. We do a lot of jigs and fixtures that help out in the plant, so actually help us make the cars. We do a lot of tools that help team members with ergonomic improvements and helps them do their job, helps them make the cars that we sell. Some of the materials we use in FDM, the main one is probably ASA. It's great for rapid prototyping purposes. It's great for a lot of the applications we use. When we want to go stronger, we use nylon 12CF or Ulta material. We start with a 3D file, usually from our customer, and we load it up in GrabCAD. We can manipulate it there. We can slice it if it needs to be printed in pieces. There's a lot of tools in the software, and all of them are quite user-friendly. Jigs and fixtures really end up all over the plant, from paint to assembly to body weld. It basically hits all of our main departments. It's much easier for us to print something than to go to someone and say, hey, make this out of 100 pieces of steel bolted together.